Creating a custom behavior allows you to personalize how your Ubi functions in a way that works best for you. To create a custom behavior, navigate from your portal's main screen to the control page for the Ubi you'd like to create a custom behavior for. Once there, scroll down to the Add New Behavior button and click it to enter the custom behavior designer. First, enter your trigger information. Select which Ubi you want to understand the trigger and what the trigger will be. The option Utterance is for a voice-activated trigger. The Utterance field also accepts regular expressions, which will be discussed in future videos. There's also upcoming options for triggering behaviors, including the option for the trigger to be based on your Ubi's sensor data. After selecting Utterance, you are given a text field to input the voice command you want to use to activate the behavior. If you want to be safe, you can speak the voice command into Google Speech Search to see how Google interprets it, and then copy that text into the Utterance field. Now in the action area, you design what your command does. First, you choose which Ubi will perform the action, and then you define the action. Keep in mind that you can make a behavior that, with the trigger to one Ubi, makes another Ubi or multiple Ubis on your portal perform an action. Currently, you can do 4 actions: voice announcement, send a text, send an email, or make an HTTP request. I'm going to make one of each action, except for an HTTP request, because we're saving that for its own video. Each action is similar, but they have key differences. Voice announcement only requires the text that you want the Ubi to speak. It's encouraged to always add a voice announcement for any behavior so that the user knows when the command has been executed. The text message action requires you to provide the phone number and phone service provider of the person you wish to contact. Then you input the message into the text field. The email action requires you to provide the email address to whom you want to contact and a subject line. Then, once again, input your message into the text field. Now you can see in the drop-down menu the HTTP request action, but we'll ignore that and save it for another video. Click Save to Ubi, and now you've created your own custom behavior. You should hear your Ubi update, and now you can see your behavior saved to the control page of your Ubi. Now, test it out. I made my behavior activate when I used the utterance, "Let's do this." Okay, Ubi. Let's do this.
It has been done.